Do you want to make perfect fries at home? You have the same problem too, right? Try this electric French fry cutter. Put the potatoes in. Hold the grate open. Press the button, and you will have great fries. Perfect, right? Traditional potato cutting is slow and tiring, but with this one, it's so easy to cut the fries. You can see the noticeable difference. Easy frying. Collecting the French fries is also easy. If you want to cut them into small cubes, run it through again. If you like, you can cut various vegetables as well. No hand injuries, no egg fault. And the vegetables wasn't scattered. Forward, backward, post 3 buttons. Detachable design for easily handling of vegetable remains. If you like our design, please support us.
This is Prep Deck, the all-in-one prep station that can take your kitchen from looking like this to this. With 14 containers, 45 functions, and 8 snap-on tool lids, you can juice, grate, zest, everything you need for a meal, snacks, and more. The cover doubles as a cutting board, and when everything is prepped, containers can go straight into the refrigerator for later. Everything is dishwasher safe, and there's a removable trash drawer for scraps. From burgers to bowls, pizza to brunch. Cut the hassle out of meal prep and start making meals you want to make. Get Prep Deck today.